Nobody in my family ever talked about money, because there was never enough of it. But one night, I grew up watching my parents work 2 jobs just to pay rent. Sacrifice was their language. Survival
I was
their
22
plan.
when I realized working hard wasn't the same as building wealth. I had a job, but I had no financial education, no
So
assets,
I started
no
reading,
plan.
investing, failing, learning. Every 500 rupiah I saved felt like planting a
People
seed in
around
dry
me said,
ground.
"People like us don't get rich. That's for others." That sentence lit a fire in me that has
The
never
first
gone
time my
out.
investment returned more than my salary, I cried. Not from joy, from proof that it was actually
I bought my
possible.
mother her first home. She stood at the door and didn't say a word. She didn't need to. Her tears
Wealth
said
isn't
everything.
just money. It's options, dignity, and freedom for the people you love. You can be the first. The cycle breaks with YOU.